Setting up a tarp at camp is so much more than just a shelter. It's your home base, marking your territory. It's like putting your flag down, telling people this is your spot. The sheer simplicity and versatility of the humble tarp makes it a vital piece of gear for any camper. It can be used in endless configurations to shelter you from rain, wind, and sun. The tarp is both a necessity and a luxury. Introducing Bâche, the Ultralight Speed Tarp. The Bâche tarp system provides the world's fastest tarp setup. Simple setups can be launched in less than 60 seconds. The world of camping has moved long past the blue polyethylene hardware store tarp. Modern material science has allowed us to make fabrics that are both stronger and lighter. Using the latest materials, we set out to redesign the simple tarp. All Bâche tarps are equipped with a minimum of 16 guy-out points. To prevent tear-outs in high winds, the 6 main guy-outs are strengthened with Dyneema reinforced grid stop, and the loops are made from rubberized Hypalon. The loops are equipped with a stainless steel ring that allows the tarp to be set up using traditional methods, or you can quickly snap on the hooked line lock for a fully knotless setup. The ability to quickly remove the guy lines makes this tarp much easier to set up and stow. Our non-repeat prints are sure to turn heads: splash, trees, sky. But if you're more of a traditionalist, we also have gradient green and a dye-free white option. Tarps are available in 2 sizes, 10 by 10 or 10 by 12. Our tarp will dramatically reduce setup time, but we didn't stop there. We've gone ahead and created a custom-tailored snakeskin that will make things even quicker. Introducing Bâche, the Ultralight Speed Tarp.